Hello friends, welcome to Aha Kids channel. In today's video, I'm going to share you the story about Prince and Princess, working together with patience and understanding. The Prince, the Princess, and the Moonlit Garden. Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom surrounded by silver lakes and whispering forests, lived Prince Arin, a brave but impatient young man. In a neighboring kingdom lived Princess Liora, gentle and wise, who had the rare gift of making flowers bloom with a single touch. One day, the two kingdoms decided to hold a grand festival in the Moonlit Garden, a magical place that only opened once every 100 years. It was said that whoever could open the garden's glowing gates would receive a blessing of eternal harmony. Many tried knights, nobles, scholars, but the gates remained shut. Prince Arin, certain that strength and confidence would win, marched forward and attempted to push the gates open with all his might. They did not budge. Frustrated, he tried again and again, but the gates remained cold and unmoving. Princess Liora approached quietly. Instead of forcing the gates, she kneeled beside them, gently brushing away the dirt and vines. She noticed faint, ancient symbols carved into the stone symbols that told a story of cooperation and kindness. "Prince Arin," she said softly, "the gates will not open by strength, but by understanding." Arin, though stubborn, stepped back and watched as Liora placed her hand on the center of the gate. The symbols glowed. She then reached out her other hand. "Will you join me?" she asked. Realizing that the task was not his alone, Arin placed his hand beside hers. Together, their combined warmth and intention awakened the garden's magic. The massive gates shimmered and slowly opened, filling the air with glowing blossoms, gentle music, and the scent of moonlit roses. The kingdoms rejoiced, and in that shared moment, Arin understood something more powerful than strength: the importance of patience, humility, and cooperation. From that day forward, Prince Arin and Princess Liora ruled their kingdoms with wisdom, one learning from the other, and the Moonlit Garden bloomed every year instead of every 100, a symbol of unity created by their hearts. Moral of the story: true strength comes not from force, but from understanding, patience, and working together. If you like this morale story, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for my channel.